What if one camera could replace 4? How do you monitor a 360-degree area without a warped panoramic fisheye? Is this even possible? Well, this camera might just be your answer. What's up, installers? This is Zach with Nelly Security, and today we're talking about the IPC8645EA-ADZKM-I1. So, let's check it out. So what is this thing exactly? Well, it's a 20 megapixel multi-sensor dome camera. It packs 4 independent 5 megapixel cameras within one dome. 1 IP address, 4 video feeds. Each of the 4 channels outputs a 2880 by 1620 resolution, all at a smooth 30 frames per second. You're not splitting up 5 megapixels across these 4 cameras. Each camera gets that full resolution independently. And speaking of independent, each lens is independently motorized and varifocal. So you can punch in on one sensor and leave the other one completely zoomed out. And no matter the degree of zoom that you have on your sensor, you can either have it autofocus or you can manually focus. The zoom and the focus can both be accomplished digitally through the web interface or Easy Station. Each camera has its own quarter of the circle that it can rotate within. But in order to do that, you do have to manually adjust those angles first. This way you can fine-tune the angles that you're picking up with these 4 sensors. This multi-sensor camera also has LightHunter technology and some really powerful infrared lights. The LightHunter technology allows it to continue picking up color where most cameras would already have switched to black and white. For instance, in this setup here, we actually had to manually turn on the IR lights because the ambient light in the street outside was enough for this camera to pick up full color detail. This would be great for an outside area that needs a lot of coverage, but maybe not necessarily a lot of light. So for instance, a moonlit parking lot or a warehouse at night. With the built-in mics, you have audio being able to come in automatically with no extra wiring. Just make sure that you do enable audio recording. And finally, though you may come to expect it, it is still good to mention that this is also NDAA compliant. So we've talked a lot about the independence of each channel, but it actually goes a step further. Each sensor can have its own smart intrusion prevention mapped out. This is great for filtering out false alarms. Or for instance, if you have one sensor watching a parking lot and another sensor watching a sidewalk, you might want to change one to be looking out for people and the other to be looking out for cars. Plus, there is also people counting and crowd density monitoring available for this camera as well. If you've watched our previous video about the 5 megapixel HDMI camera, you'll know the specifics of these settings, but this is also another use case that would be really helpful to have 1 or 2 of these sensors looking out for crowd monitoring and people counting specifically. The build is your standard IP67 rating, and it also has an IK10 vandal-proof rating. This dome is going to be able to withstand all types of weather, so you don't have to keep this camera within a warehouse. The install for this particular camera is very involved. There are instructions provided in the box that this camera comes in that walks you through the steps. It's also very, very heavy. So as you go about installing this, there are a few different safety checkpoints, you could say. The mounting plate for the 4 sensors themselves has a hinge that you can hook into the housing itself, so that way you have an anchor point when you're screwing in the rest of the plate. Additionally, the housing has a cable that you can clasp onto the mounting arm, so that way if it wasn't threaded in as tightly as you thought, or someone tries to knock the camera out and somehow succeeds, it won't come crashing to the ground. It'll instead be caught on that mounting arm and kind of swing there for a bit. So for this demo setup here, we've got it within arm's reach, which is of course not ideal for real life surveillance, as it is going to be very easy to tamper with. And also, this should be able to screw up much more into the mounting arm. I made the mistake of installing it too close to a wall, and so being able to get in there and screw it much tighter than this was kind of impossible for me. So this is good enough for our demo purposes, but by all means, do not try to recreate what you see on camera here. So once you've got the camera installed and it's plugged into a branded PoE NVR, you'll immediately see those 4 channels populate. You don't have to add the camera camera 4 times, it will simply appear as 4 channels with the same IP address. This makes it super easy for live view monitoring. You can set up your window to have 4 live feeds going at the same time and simply click on the 4 channels. If you're integrating this camera into an existing third-party software, this is OnVIF compliant, so you're able to use this in any setup you have. This camera is specifically built for wide open spaces, especially environments with lighting changes. Parking lots, garages, warehouses or distribution centers, airport terminals, you name it. This is perfect for any setup where mitigating blind spots is the most important thing. So if you find yourself needing various angles of coverage, all originating from a similar space, you may want to consider getting this camera, especially with the individual adjustments you can make to each sensor regarding its zoom, its focus, and its intelligent tracking. So that's it for this multi-sensor dome camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.